What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly on your laptop. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Grammarly. After typing, you will be directly welcome to the dashboard of Grammarly. If you are new to Grammarly, just simply sign in with your email and account, or you can even continue with Google, Apple, whatever you like. And after that, if you already have an account on Grammarly, you can just directly sign in or just create a new one. So after coming here, click on apps on the left side, as you can see. And after that, install Grammarly for Windows and Grammarly for Chrome. As you can see, I already have installed Grammarly for my Windows and Chrome. But if you are using an Android phone, you can install Grammarly for Android, or if you are using an iPhone or an iPad, you can install Grammarly for iPhone or iPad. And after installing, you can go to this puzzle icon known as extensions, and you can just pin your Grammarly extension here. So it helps you wherever you are writing a document, or you are searching something, or you are watching some type of content, you can check it and replace it easily with using Grammarly. So this is how you can use Grammarly on your laptop, and that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.